Welcome to EasyKnowHow. Want to automatically pause your Instagram notifications at night or during working hours? Quiet mode is here to help. I'm Jessica from techboomers.com, and in this video, I'll show you how to enable quiet mode on Instagram. Now let's get started to turn on Instagram. Quiet mode. First, open the Instagram app and go to your profile. Then tap the menu icon in the top right corner and select Settings now. Tap Notifications. Select Quiet Mode at the top. Tap the switch labeled Quiet Mode to enable this feature. Now select the hours you would like. Quiet Mode to automatically turn on and off. Quiet Mode can be enabled for up to 12 hours. You can set this to be the hours you're typically sleeping at work or otherwise busy and don't want to have Instagram notifications popping up on your screen. When quiet mode is enabled, you won't receive Instagram notifications for this account. Your online status will be set to quiet mode, and anyone who might message you will receive an auto reply, letting them know that you have quiet mode enabled. You can disable quiet mode at any time by tapping the switch at the top of the quiet mode settings page when the switch turns from blue to gray. Quiet mode is disabled. That's all it takes to enable or disable Instagram quiet mode. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel EasyKnow How we put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.